All right, so here is the final project for the back-end course. Um, I'm doing an intensives database. So we have CRUD operations for all of our entities, and I'll walk through all of them. Show all CRUD operations on one, and then just two gets on two other entities just for the sake of time. But everything here shows our post mapping, our put mapping, our get mapping, a lot of different options, and then our delete mapping. So all CRUD operations for our three entities, which are customer, intensive, and location, and intensive is the parent. So I've already started, populated a few tables. So we have right now 4 intensives. We have 4 locations. We have a many-to-many bi-directional relationship between intensive and customer. So we have our join table here, and we currently have 2 customers already populated. Intensive and location have a one-to-many, so one intensive to many. I'm sorry, yeah, one location to many intensives and many intensives to one location relationship, and they're bi-directional, so they are aware of each other. Let's go ahead and use Arc to populate. So we're going to start with all of our CRUD operations for the customer entity. So we'll start with the post. We're going to add Charlie. He's going to go on a wait list, and we're adding him to intensive 4, which is our wait list. Make sure the headers are good. They should be. Go away. And play. Oops, if I start the application. There it goes. Excellent. Okay. Let's try that again. All right, looks like he was added. We get a 201 code. Invoice. Let's go ahead and flip our database. Customer shows only 2 right now. Let's do an update. There it is. There's Charlie. We're waiting for his footage. He's waitlisted. He's married to Susan, and he hasn't been invoiced. Great. That worked. Now let's do a get. Let's see if we can pull info about our third customer. I think that's missing. Let's see if I get. Oh, we're fine. Okay, let's go ahead and push play. Look at that. Customer 3, Susan Wells, and all the info for it. Great. Now let's do a put. Let's see if we can update one of our locations. So right now, if we look at the database, number 3 is listed as outdoor public courts. I want to change it to private courts. Let's see if that works. And it looks like that went through. We have an associated intensive and a customer with it. Excellent. Okay, let's go ahead and check our database, update that, and now we have private courts. Perfect. All right, so we have our update. Now let's see if we can delete something. Let's delete location number 2. We get a message, deletion of ID2 is successful. Come over here. Our location already, update it, and that's gone. Perfect. So there's all of our CRUD operations. Now let's show that intensive, which we haven't shown yet. We can just pull info about it and confirm we do. This is if we want to select one. If I just want to know about all of them, I can do that, and that'll tell me all my intensives with the associated customers. And then we already did location. So that's the gist of this application. I'll upload it into GitHub so we can review. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.